welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do Blanc's gardening challenge for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So you'll need to purchase 10 Starfruit Seeds and you'll need to harvest 10 Starfruits. There's also the flowers one which you need. Okay, so that's week 2, but I believe you can buy the flowers now. So let's talk to Blanc for a second here. See stars hidden in the soil. I don't know what it's called. Leave it to me. Okay, you'll need to purchase some Starfruit Seeds, which is here. Okay, so the flowers are next week, I believe, on week 2. It matures in 15 minutes, which is the same as the Fashion Wave events previously. So let's go back to our house and let's go plant the Starfruits. Where's my house? Okay, my house is like on the other side, I believe. So I'm just going to take the bus and I'll see you when I'm at the house. Alright, I'm going to start planting my Starfruits. Where's the seeds at? Oh, I think I need to scroll down a little bit more. Okay, it's this one over here. And then I'm just going to plant them, and I think you do need some of them for cooking. Should I just use the fertilizer? Hopefully I have some in my inventory, or else I'll have to go back to buy it. I don't think I have any. I'm not sure. So you guys can see the results a little bit faster. Let me see. Fertilizer. Ooh, I do have some. So let's use this. Okay, perfect. Ooh, okay. And this is what the starfruit looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, you do need to go back to Blanc. I forgot to mention that. And you also get some tokens, I think, from completing the gardening challenge for the Fashion Wave event. I don't know why my car isn't spawning. Actually, let me do that before I end this video. Like, I completely forgot that I had to go back here. Alright, let's talk to Blanc. Where is the... Okay, and we got some seeds as well from him. And then if you go back to the fashion activity, you can also get that. You will also need to harvest 10 starfruits, which I should be able to do that, but my inventory was just too full. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!